Let's learn how to change call background. We can add a photo or video on our call background area. Let's learn how to do this. Open your dial pad icon. After, click on this three dots icon on top right corner. Go to settings. Now click on this call background option. This is default background video. We can add our custom photo or video. Click on this background option. If you want to add this second video, click on it. After, you can see a preview like this. If you want to add this video as your call background, click on this set as call background option. If you want to add your custom photo or video to this call background, click on this plus mark on top right corner. After, you can select a custom photo or video on your mobile gallery. In this method, you can add your custom photo or video on your call background. I think this feature is very helpful to you.